Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi problem on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to keep scrolling like this. And here you have to move on this general management. You have to click on it. After you have been click on general management, again you have to scroll a little bit, and here you're going to find the reset option. So you have to click on this reset. After you have been click on reset, you are going to find this feature. So from here move this reset network second option. Okay, setting. Click on reset setting and click on reset. After you have been click on reset, the Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem and Bluetooth problem will be solved on your mobile phone. You can solve it like this. Okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.